Why? Science. Lions. Brain reaction when drinking water. Have you ever wondered what happens inside the brain when we drink water? Let's take a closer look at the fascinating reactions in the brain as we quench our thirst. In our brain, we have specialized areas that control the body's water balance and ensure proper hydration. Meet the hypothalamus, an important part of the brain that plays a central role in controlling thirst. When we're dehydrated, specialized cells in the hypothalamus detect an increase in blood osmosis concentration, causing thirst. The brain, through an area called the hypothalamus, continuously monitors the body's water levels. When the body is dehydrated, specialized cells in the hypothalamus detect an increase in blood osmotic pressure, solute concentration. This, by causing thirst, motivates people to find and consume water. When you take a sip of fresh water, sensory receptors in your mouth and throat send signals to your brainstem. The brainstem, the control center of basic physical function, activates swallowing reflexes. Adjusts the complex muscle movements needed to guide water from the mouth to the esophagus. When you take a sip of water, sensory receptors in your mouth and throat send signals to your brainstem. The brainstem then activates swallowing reflexes, adjusting the muscles involved in swallowing so that water can pass from the mouth to the esophagus. The brain processes sensory information related to drinking water, such as taste, temperature, and texture. These sensory inputs contribute to our overall awareness and satisfaction of drinking water behavior. Once water enters our digestive system, it moves into the stomach and eventually reaches the small intestine. Water enters the stomach and is absorbed into the bloodstream when it reaches the small intestine. Water molecules move across the intestinal wall into the capillaries and are stimulated by osmosis, increasing the total amount of fluid in the body. At the same time, our brain diligently monitors electrolyte concentrations in our bloodstream, such as sodium, potassium, and chloride. When electrolyte levels are imbalanced, the brain activates a concentration control mechanism that allows cells to function properly. When we drink enough water, the signal reaches the brain, indicating hydration. This causes satiety, which reduces thirst and helps control water intake. So, the next time you take a sip of water, remember the amazing reactions that happen in your brain to keep it hydrated and keep it functioning at its best. Overall, the brain adjusts various processes, including thirst control, swallowing reflex, sensory processing, fluid absorption, and electrolyte balance, ensuring proper water intake and distribution throughout the body. These mechanisms help maintain proper hydration and support the overall functioning of the body system. So far, when I drink water, I've talked about the brains. This summer is also very hot. I hope you take good care of your health with enough moisture. Lions, I'll be back in the next video. Goodbye.